So the Waves of Innovation event really started up in Oregon, I think about 8 years ago now. And it's a great way to bring our various suppliers and various customers together to network and learn about new technologies.
In today's manufacturing environment, every manufacturer in the country is trying to do more with less. They aren't looking for a company to buy this part or that part. They're looking for a company that can help them solve problems and provide solutions for them.
Our vendors are different in that they're very forward-thinking. We have a lot of really cool, innovative technology. So they're not the ones in the past trying to see how they can cut costs. They're the ones that are seeing how can they design some sort of technology, some sort of product that can help solve these currently unsolved problems.
Oftentimes we go in and we go to look at one specific application. And so here it's a little bit of a different mindset where we're looking at kind of the overall big picture, what different types of opportunities can be brought to the table. Whereas if we were to show up to do a site visit at one of our manufacturers' facilities, we're limited in what we can bring, what we can show, how to display it. We're not going to roll in a big TV monitor. And so there's a benefit of bringing those customers here face to face with Olympus, with the other vendor partners, to discuss all that and to see it all in one place.
In my role, I'm able to kind of think out of the box and stay on the cutting edge, if you will, and be able to see what's coming down the pipeline. And so for me, coming to an event like this is important because I get to see kind of a little bit deeper into the vendors and what their product offerings are and what kind of the current state is. And it's kind of nice to be able to stay on the forefront of innovation.
Waves is a really great opportunity for Olympus's customers and our customers to kind of get together and see the latest innovation that Olympus provides.
A lot of times the customers that we work with know us as one
Olympus's
product or technology. Maybe I'm working with a customer that buys a vision system from me, but that same customer may also have a need for robotics or motion control, but they don't really think of me in that way because they've worked with me for one technology. So it allows them to see more of what we have to offer.